going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna be doing something that I normally don't really do that often. I'm basically going with my homies to get some boba, the S2K, John's RSX, and basically I'm just gonna be vlogging the whole thing. I'm gonna take you guys with me because we have a lot of fun going out with the boys to get boba. Like, it's just really fun to like go on drives with your friends to go get something to eat or something like that. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna bring you guys along. But first, I'm gonna watch the RSX, and then yeah, after that, basically I'm just gonna meet up with the homies, and then we're gonna head to go get some boba. I'm not even done yet, and this thing looks so damn good. Alright guys, so the car is washed. Now I'm gonna head over to Josh's house, and we're gonna meet up with the homies, and then we're gonna go and I'm gonna get some POV footage of the car while we're driving. Alright guys, just pulled up to Josh's. Cool car, man. What is that, Ferrari? It was needing it so badly. Is this one Ferrari?
No, Maserati.
Maybe this one BMW, I don't know. Hey bro, let me get your cluster. Josh just showed up, so now we're gonna head out to get some boba. Did I say Josh? I meant John. Oh, damn, his shit's popping. Damn, my car looks good. What the hell? Yo, look what just pulled up. That's sick. loud. Oh my god, that's stupid loud. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do super loud pops for them. It works the best at high RPMs. John is having way too much fun. Yo, you were shooting like 2-foot flames.
Is he?
Yeah.
You see that? Show me so it looks like we got nothing. See, we're safe out here, guys.
Damn, guys, let me just take in this lineup real quick. This is nuts.
Wear your mask.
This is like the dream lineup. The Honda Dream lineup.
Wear your mask. Dang, son. Yes, yes, sir. Wear your mask. All right, cut, and then. All right, and then cut. Oh, that was bad. Don't do that one. Get me getting my drink.
See how many bubbles I can fit in my.
Why are you going slow? I forgot. Ready, set, go. Yes, sir.
Damn, guys. That looks so sick. Oh! Uh-oh! Alright guys, we just pulled up to like a parking structure, so I want to see the two-step, how loud they are. See which one is louder, mine or John's. I think his is gonna look cooler because the flames. Mine might be louder, I don't know, we'll have to see. And then Josh's two-step, he has the best two-step there. Damn, bro. But yeah, anyways guys, let's see which one's louder. Gosh. Alright guys, we gotta dip out because that was pretty loud, but I think mine was a little louder. His was cooler because it shot flames, but like I said, I thought mine was a little louder. John wants a rematch, so we're gonna go somewhere else.
Exhaust isn't warm.
His exhaust isn't warm. I'll do one more for you guys. That is so, it echoes for so long. Bro, all right, we're getting out of here. So I'm gonna try to do it right here to piss off John. God, it's so loud. He's probably so mad. He hates when people are cringy with loud exhaust and stuff. All right, John's gonna do his two-step. Wow, that last one really echoes. One more. Oh my God, Lord.
Holy shit, bro, there's like 3 echoes.
Dude, the flames. All right, so John changed his two-step to mine. Mine's at 4K, his is at 6K. He put his to 4K now, so we're gonna see how it is.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Dude, that shit was crazy. Hey, hey, bro, we gotta go. We gotta go. Hey. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's video right there. So I just want to say, comment down below which car you think is better, John's or Roy's. John's, Roy's, or you could just say blue one or a gray one. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more RSX content and other cool content like that. As always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
A little bonus clip for y'all. Yes, do the outro.